The harbor of Veerhaven is in the Scheepvaartkwartier district of Rotterdam. This neighborhood was the first structured urban extension outside the city triangle after 1850. It was designed by Willem Nicholas Rose. In the harbor you can find splendid houses, offices, and warehouses with various architectural styles from 1900. Many businesses are still related to maritime activities. Most of the warehouses have been converted into apartments. In the harbor, there is a floating office called Bureau Veerhaven, the former floating office of the Rotterdam River Police. It can be visited and rented for events. This area was spared from destruction during the bombings of World War II. So here you can see Rotterdam as it was before the war. Many buildings in this area are listed as monuments. In the harbor, you can find pleasure yachts and historic sailboats. The Veerhaven has hosted major sailing events, including regattas with modern yachts and catamarans, as well as regattas with classic boats. Since 2001, the Race of the Classics Young Professionals, the largest and most prominent student sailing event in Europe, starts from Veerhaven. The beautiful boats, waterfront terraces, and the many monumental warehouses and offices make Veerhaven a place worth visiting. Veerhaven is located halfway between the Erasmus Bridge and the Euromast. From here, you can enjoy great views of the Wilhelminakade across the river. On the port, there is a mooring for the water taxi. Also, nearby you can find the water bus to Kinderdijk and the tourist boat Speedo. Going down the river from Veerhaven, you'll find one of the most elegant buildings in this area. It is located at the corner of Rivierstraat and Westerkade. Its neoclassical facade gives it a palatial appearance.